Welcome back to Amatip IT JavaScript tutorial series. In this video we will be covering control structures. Control structures allow us to have more control over the flow of our code. One of the most common control structures in JavaScript is the if statement. The if statement allows us to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. We can also use the else statement to execute a different block of code if the condition is false. Another control structure is the else if statement, which allows us to check multiple conditions in a chain. The switch statement is another way to handle multiple conditions, similar to if-else if statements. With the switch statement, we can specify different actions for different cases. The for loop is a control structure that allows us to repeat a block of code for a specific number of times. We can also use the while loop to repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. In JavaScript, we have the do while loop as well, which will always execute the block of code at least once. A break statement allows us to exit out of a loop or a switch statement prematurely. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move on to the next one. Control structures are essential in programming, as they help us make our code more flexible and efficient. Understanding how to use these control structures will greatly improve your coding skills. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into control structures in JavaScript in this video. If you have any questions or need clarification, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative JavaScript tutorials.